Headlines: Manipur government hosts first ever CSR conclave in Imphal. Cops nabbed 2 drug dealers with narcotics worth rupees 3.4 crore. And Zimbabwe's former president Robert Mugabe dies in Singapore. Good afternoon, this is Times of Manipur English News. I am Mandira and now the news in detail. The Manipur government, in association with 4th Dimension Global, organized a Manipur Corporate Social Responsibility Conclave today at the City Convention Centre, Imphal. Chief Minister N. Biren, Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla, Works Minister T.H. Biswajit and a host of dignitaries attended the conclave, during which the Chief Minister called on the cooperative world to give special impetus on investment in the state for its development while expressing positive commitment from them. Over 70 companies, firms are participating in the event. The Manipur Chief Minister is expecting large-scale CSR investment in Manipur.
Manipur, the land gateway of India to Southeast Asia, is the best located state to take advantage of this international commitment. You are aware that the Northeast region, endowed with rich cultural and natural, is now seen as the new engine of growth. We welcome the corporate world with open arms to invest in Manipur. We assure that your capital remains safe and productive. When I began my speech, I said Manipur has been on the wrong side of the news. I look forward to the corporate community for placing us on the right side of the news.
We are now trying to work on a path that will bring states like Manipur to be helped by the law. And without doubt, this initiative, this historic initiative, starting here, where in the east we are located, such a wonderful place to begin. So much encouragement and acceptance from the state government.
Police arrested 2 drug dealers along with drugs around worth rupees 3.4 crore in Dolaithabi multi-purpose project area in Imphal East yesterday. A police report said today that, acting on a tip-off, the operation was carried out by a combined team of Imphal East Commando led by Jamendar A. Sundar Singh under the supervision of Deputy Superintendent of Police Imphal East Herojit Singh. The arrested were identified as Sailal Tauthang, aged 35 years, son of Hemngam Tauthang of Faijang village, Saikul, and Haukomang Khongsai, aged 30 years, son of Songhao Khongsai of Nafai village, Saikul. The police recovered 1 kg and 840 gram of brown sugar, 9 kg of opium, 2 Honda Activa scooters and a mobile handset from their possession. The arrested along with the seized items were later handed over to Sagolmang police station for further legal action. Zimbabwe's former president Robert Mugabe has died at the age of 95. The country's president Emmerson Mnangagwa said on his official Twitter account, Mugabe died in Singapore, where he has often received medical treatment in recent years. Mnangagwa announced the death of Zimbabwe's founding father and former president Robert Mugabe. Mugabe was feted as an African liberation hero and champion of racial reconciliation when he first came to power in a nation divided by nearly a century of white colonial rule. Nearly 4 decades later, many at home and abroad denounced him as a power-obsessed autocrat willing to unleash death squads, rig elections and thrash the economy in the relentless pursuit of control. Mugabe was ultimately ousted by his own armed forces in November 2017. We'll take a short break now. Stay tuned.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong. Yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi mahok kangla bada ngauroi do kana bulai bu.
Kangla Manipur ki ahanba 24/7 cab service oiriba lamjingba cab na ahanba oina miyam gidamakta monsoon offer ama pijari. Pijari bo offer adudi 5% discount on any trip or any package. Akupamarol gidamak contact tobiyu Lamjingba Cab, Nagamapal Rims Road, Lamjingba Group Building, opposite to Lamjingba Nidhi Limited Imphal. Aikhogi phone number 18001027 natraga 8794613154. Manipur ihan hanbo oina Lamjingba Jewelry na market ta phangba sana mayam sigi quality check tawbagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom ki leijariba sanada yauriba alloy amadi elements kaya gi chang marik chumna accurate quality amadi quantity ga loina na khanganba ngamlagani. Lamjingba Jewelry na pijariba khudong chaba asi lobi hau adom gi sana adu sengi natraga sengde haibagi chingnaba du kokhanbiyo. Akupa marol gidamak Lamjingba Jewelry da lengsinbirao.
Lamjingba Jewelry, good quality is our priority.
Welcome back. Vegetable buyers from different parts of Imphal today thronged the temporary Mao market shed at Hicham Yaichampat Yai School. Mao vegetable temporary market shed has been opening since the past few weeks in different parts of Imphal under the aegis of international and social advancement backed by several civil society organizations. More than 50 vegetable stalls from Mao market were put up at the market shed. Mao under Senapati district borders Nagaland. A meeting of district level officers of Thoubal was held yesterday at the conference hall of DC office Thoubal. During the meeting chaired by Thoubal Deputy Commissioner and Bandana Devi, various schemes on Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Poshan Ma Abhiyan, 7th economic census and others were discussed. Bandana also informed during the meeting that a sensitization workshop cum meeting on priority sector schemes will be held on 7 September at the conference hall of DC office Thoubal. Bringing laurels to the state, the members of Shillong Choir have been chosen to perform the patriotic song Vande Mataram during the landing of India's Chandrayaan-2 while it makes touchdown on the moon. Neil Nongkrindi, the master of Shillong Chamber Choir, has composed the piece which will be performed by the Shillong Chamber Choir. We'll take a short break again. Keep watching.
Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Haripriya Chongrang giving you news in
Hana na fanglamba kang food ki product singi mathakta anuba product sing haibadi milky balls asomya mixture amadi alu bhujia na chingmasing asi hauzik iramdam gi kaithel da fangle kangla gi anawa product sing asi mayam su amungtang mahaw yingbi
Kangla.
Welcome back. Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Pema Khandu today ordered the concerned Deputy Commissioner to inspect the incident of Chinese incursions as reported in the media. Pema Khandu said although he has got the reports of incursions by Chinese army where a wooden bridge was constructed in remote locations of Anjao district of Arunachal, but confirmation is yet to be made. In a joint operation of the Anti-Narcotics Task Force, East Jaintia Hills Anti-Narcotics Task Force, East Khasi Hills and Keliariat police seized approximately 76,000 Yaba tablets, commonly known as World is Yours tablets. The tablet weighs around 7.85 kg and the consignment is expected to be worth Rs 1 crore in international market. 3 women were apprehended carrying the consignment. They were travelling from Silchar to Shillong, Guwahati in a commercial Tata Sumo vehicle. A case has been registered in Keliaria police station for investigation. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said India will never be an aggressor, but it will not hesitate to use its strength to defend itself. Singh delivered the keynote address today at the Seoul Defence Dialogue, a multilateral security dialogue on building peace together, challenges and vision. Defence diplomacy is a key pillar of India's strategic toolkit. Defence diplomacy and maintaining strong defence forces are two sides of the same coin, Singh said. Though India has never been an aggressor in its history, nor will it ever be, he said it does not mean that India would balk at using its strength to defend itself. Now the headlines once again. Manipur government hosts first ever CSR conclave in Imphal. Cops nabbed true drug dealers with narcotics worth Rs 3.4 crore. And Zimbabwe's former president Robert Mugabe dies in Singapore. Well, this is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.